Dear student, the new topic is the First World War and the Russian Empire of Chapter 2. The First World War started in 1914 and the end was 1918. The war was between two European allies. First, Germany, Austria, and Turkey, the Central Powers, and second is France, Britain, and Russia, and later on Italy and Romania also. Each country had a global empire. The war was fought outside Europe as well as in Europe. In Russia, the war was initially popular and people rallied around Tsar Nicholas II. As the war continued, though, the Tsar refused to consult the main parties in the Duma. Duma is the parliament system of Russia. The Tsarina Alexandra, who is the wife of Tsar Nicholas, origins and poor advisors, especially a monk called Rasputin, made the autocracy unpopular. The First World War on the Eastern Front differed from that on the Western Front. In the West, armies fought from trenches stretched along eastern France, where, as in the East, armies moved a good deal and fought open battles, leaving large casualties. Impact of the First World War on Russia. Russia armies lost badly in Germany and Austria between 1914 and 1916 and lost more than 7 million soldiers by 1917. The retreating Russian army destroyed crops and buildings to prevent the enemy from being able to live off the land. The destruction of crops and buildings led to over 3 million refugees in Russia. The war also had a severe impact on industry. Russia's own industries were few in number and the country was cut off from the other suppliers of industrial goods by German control of the Baltic Sea. Industrial equipment disintegrated more rapidly in Russia than elsewhere in Europe. By 1916, railway and road links began to break down, cutting the supplies of army and common people. Able-bodied men were called up to the war. As a result, there were labor shortages and a small workshop producing essential were shut down. Large supplies of grain were sent to feed the army. For the people in the cities, bread and flour became scarce. By the winter of 1916, riots at bread shops were common. It is the First World War and the Russian Empire. So a student writes notes with the help of video. Thank you.